Myself, Dr. Amarnath Shetty, professor in the AJIT Civil Department, Mangalore. Now we go for the second question. Sedimentation aided with the coagulation of the water supply and treatment engineering. Okay. Model 3. Okay. That's continuation. When the water contains fine clay and colloidal impurities, which are electrically charged, are continuously in motion and never settle down due to the gravitational force. Certain chemicals are added to water so to remove such impurities such are not removed by the plain sedimentation. The chemical form insoluble, uh, gelatinous, okay, and focalent particle observed and fine suspended matters and colloidal impurity during its formation and descent through the water. Okay, this coagulant further have a advantage of removing color, odor, and taste from the water. Turbidity of the water reduced to up to 5 to 10 ppm and bacteria removes up to 65%. Coagulant are chosen depending upon the pH of the water. ALM or aluminum sulfate is normally used in all the treatment plant because of low cost and easy to storage of solid crystal over the long period. A dosage of the coagulant when which should be added to the water depend upon the kind of coagulant, turbidity of the water, color of the water. Okay, pH of the water, temperature of the water, and temperature of the water and mixing focalization time. The optimum dose of the coagulant required for the water treatment plant is determined by jar test. Okay, and the jar test. Now we go for the determination of dosage of the coagulant. This is the jar test. We can see the 7 jars 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, it will rotate. For this, has shown only one jar, but it is a 7 jar. Okay, different coagulants are added for different. Okay, for the starting of the experiment, first all samples of the water are taken in every jar, added a coagulant in varying amount. Quantity of coagulant added each jar is noted. Then with the help of electric motor, all the pedals are rotated at the speed of 30 to 40 rpm, about 10 minutes. After this speed is reduced, the pedals are rotated for about 20 minutes. The rotation of pedals is stopped and stroke formation of each jar is noted and allowed to settle. The dose of the coagulant which gives the best fork is called optimum dosage of the coagulant. This is about the jar test. Okay, 7 jars and different coagulant added coagulant in different amount. Okay, the quantity of coagulant added is noted. Have and with the help of the pedal will rotate 30 to 40 rpm or 10 minutes. After this speed is reduced and pedal rotate about 10 to 20 minutes reduce after reducing of the okay rotation of the pedal stop the fork is formed in each area is noted allowed to settle. Dose of the coagulant which gives the best fork is called optimum dosage of the coagulants. Okay, common coagulants used these are ferric sodium aluminate. Second on ferric chloride, ferric sulfate, bituminate clay, fuller's earth, magnesium chloride, polyelectrolytes. Okay, these are the common coagulants. Sodium aluminate, first one. Second one, ferric chlorides, ferric sulfate, bituminate clay, fuller's earth, magnesium carbonate, polyelectrolytes. Okay, these there are now we go for the all we got the coagulants and different how we feed the coagulants. Now very important feeding how to put the coagulant to the water feed the coagulant to the water. There are two types, two methods feeding the coagulant is water. One is dry feeding, one is wet feeding. Okay, dry feeding is a simple operation and requires relatively less space for its working. The feeding machines are so cheaper. Okay, however, the control dose is difficult. In the case of coagulant, the powder form is kept tanked with the hopper bottom in order to prevent the arching of the chemical. Agitation plates, okay, are placed inside the tank. The feeding regulates the speed of the total wheel is connected to the Venturi device in the raw water pipe. The chemical feed into water directly, dry feeding the powder form. Okay, alum beam uh, fairly fine. Okay, uniform size can be fed easily by the dry feeding. Okay, mainly dry feeding. I will show the figure of the dry feeding. Uh, okay, Cuperus and lime cannot be feed by the dry feeding. Okay, dry feeding device generally form of a tank with a hooper bottom. Agitated plates are placed inside the tank so prevent arching of the coagulant. The coagulant in a powder form filled in a tank is allowed to fall in a mixing basin. The dose is regulated by the speed of toothed wheel or helical screw. Okay, speed of the toothed wheel or helical screw turn controlled by connecting the Venturi device installed in a raw water pipe feeding the water to the mixing basin. Okay, mixing basin. The quantity of the coagulant released thus controlled by proportion of a quantity of raw water entered mixing basin. Dry feeding devices are utilized in a smaller tank. This is the dry feeding. Okay, this is the alligator plates. Okay, here is the powder form. Okay, conical hooper. This is the toothed wheel. Here it will fall to raw water in a powder form. Okay, in a powder form. This is the dry powder form. This coagulant is added to the water. So it is called dry feeding. Okay. Now we go for the wet feeding. Okay. The dosage of the wet feeding equipment can be adjusted more readily and it can be easily controlled by means of automatic device. However, the chemicals which are corrosive in nature create the problem of wet feeding. In the case of wet feeding, the solution coagulant of a requestant is prepared in the stored in the tank form, allowed to fall in the mixing channel. The quantity of mixture falling in a raw water channel is regulated proportional to the quantity of flow. Wet feeding, the solution required to strength of coagulant is prepared and stored in a tank. The form is allowed to trickle down into the mixing the tank through an outlet. Level of the coagulant solution is the mixed feed tank maintained constant by means of float control valves in order to ensure the constant rate discharge to the coagulant rate flow to the mixing basin. When the uniform raw water changes, the rate of coagulant feed adjusted to conical type arrangement. The working of conical plug type arrangement is very simple. Mixing basin and float chamber are interconnected together, so water level remains same in both of them. The rate inflow raw water increase, the depth of the water mixing basin and floating chamber increases, thereby lifting the float. As float rises, the pedal fully rotates at the same direction, thereby lifting of conical plug, allowing must be quantity of coagulant solution release the mixing basin when the rate of decrease of conical plug depend upon reduced feeding rate of the lower rate. Longer water treatment plant generally used to wet feeding advice in the costlier than the dry feeding device. Okay, we can see the wet feeding this one. Okay, Here is the liquid form equal chemicals with the liquid form. Okay, this is the pulling strings. Okay, feeding tank, conical plug, raw water channel. Here we'll what the liquid form. Okay, liquid. This is the floating. Okay, raw water floating channel and total. Okay, this is the wet feeding. Wet feeding means we are using the solution. Dry feeding we are using the dry powder. Okay, this is the main difference between wet feeding and okay, and dry feeding. Okay, now focalization, we go for the focalization. Due to violent agitation of the coagulant in a flash mixture, through the mixing is obtained, through mixing obtained, the thorough agitation solution is slowly and gently stirred, a cause of agglomeration of dissolved particles. The focalization is slow mixing process in which destabilized colloidal particles are brought into ultimate contact with the order to promote their agglomerations, the rate agglomerations, okay, uh, or flocculation depend upon the number of particles present relative volume occupied. Okay, therefore, flocculation process is a mixing coagulant of the water in order to achieve through the mixing the uniform distribution of the coagulant toward the water shows the mixing of mixture folks are formed in a form of gelatinous precipitate which make the remove by settling. The tank basin which focalization process carried out is called focalization chamber. Okay. Now coagulation mixing process. The such coagulation mainly depend upon through the mixing of the coagulant with the raw water. While mixing carried by the following device: rapid mixture and slow mixture. Okay, rapid mixture mixing process with the coagulant rapidly uniformly dispersed to the mass water. The process usually in small basin, immediate preceding the or a head at the head of the coagulant basin. Generally, detention time is 30 to 60 seconds and head loss is 20 to 60 centimeter of the water. Here, colloid are destabilized and nuclear for the fork is formed. Now, slow mixer mixing brings with contact with finely divided, destabilized matter formed during the rapid mixing. Okay, coagulant mixing device. There are two types of mixing device. Coagulant mixing basin with bevel valve, mixing basin with the mechanical deal. Now we go for the mixing basin with the bevel valve. Water flow through the horizontal for short distance and take the complete turns which causes turbulence. Result mixing assembled is called round the end type. The water flew down due to the vertical bevel, a wall called vertical over the under type. Use smaller water treatment plant. Mixed basin of the bevel basin are not used due to the high head loss of velocity of the basin. This is the basin, okay, mixed basin, okay. Mixed basin with the mechanical device, okay, flash mixture which is used for water treatment plant now. Flash mixture coagulants are the variable speed motor figure shows, okay. Mixing depend intelligent temporary mean of velocity gradient turbulence. Proper types of impelled rotate for 400 to 1400 rpm widely used. Imperial speed 250 to 250 mm. Detention time 30 to 60 seconds. Okay. Mean velocity is kept in 300 s minus 1 to 309. Okay. Power requirement 1 to 3 watts. Okay. This is the process of okay, mechanical. This is a fan. Okay, different type of fan. Okay, here it will be rotates and them this okay, raw water, okay, overflow. This is concrete, okay, dry motor support and it will rotate. Okay, this is the main okay, factor affecting the dosage of the coagulant, kind of the coagulant, amount of the coagulant, time mixture. Okay, and settlement turbidity of the water